We will start from the edge of the taillight and notice there are two screws right there. Here I'm using a Phillips screwdriver to take out both of those screws one by one. First screw is taken out. Similar way we'll take out the second screw on the top. Second screw is also out. Once both the screws are taken out, now we will use a tool like this and we'll punch in the tool on that top corner right there. After carefully positioning the tool right there, what we'll do is we'll slightly pull out the taillight using that tool. Just make sure to pull out the taillight towards yourself until the complete taillight is popped out. There you notice the taillight popping out. This is how the taillight looks like from behind. So what we'll do is we'll grab this plug, turn it counterclockwise and then pull it outwards. There it is. This is taken out. Same goes for the other plug. Grab the plug, turn it counterclockwise and then pull it outwards. Second bulb is also out. This is the final plug right here and this one is pulled out slightly different way. We grab the plug, turn it clockwise and then pull it outwards. Once all the plugs are taken out, now notice there is actually a harness holding on to the tail light which is right here. So what you have to do is just pull it outwards. There it is. And also there is a bracket holding on to it. We just have to push the harness outwards from that bracket. Once the harness is pulled out, that is how we take out the tail light for this car. In my case, the tail light is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new tail light and you want to install it back, all we have to do is just punch in the bulbs back where we took them out from earlier. First, we punch in the white color bulb. Make sure it goes in that spot right here. Also, while installing, make sure the plug completely goes in first. Once the plug is completely in, only then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. First bulb is in position. Now we'll punch in this turn signal bulb. Again, we punch in the plug, make sure it's completely in. Sometimes you may have to wiggle a little bit until the plug completely goes in. Then turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. That bulb is also in. Now here's the final bulb. This actually works a little opposite way. So we punch in the plug first. Once the plug is in this case, we will turn it counterclockwise to install it firm and strong. Once all the bulbs are in, now we have to punch in this harness where we took it out from earlier. First part would just be to push the harness in that tiny little spot. Once it sits down there, then we'll just push the harness in that tiny corner on the right side. Just like that, that's completely in. Now it's the time to completely punch in the tail light. While holding the tail light in this position, notice on the tail light there's actually this pointer coming out right here. This pointer is supposed to go in that spot right there. And again on the tail light, notice there's a position right here. This has to be slided in that white color bracket right there. So we'll go ahead and punch in the tail light, keeping in mind those two positions. Just to show you guys one more time, make sure this pointer is going in that spot right there, and this spot of the tail light is supposed to be slided in that white color bracket right here. We'll carefully go ahead and install the tail light, keeping in mind those two specific positions. Once the tail light is in position, then we will gently give it a push from the front. There's the tail light completely in position. Now we'll go ahead and punch in back the two screws that we took out earlier in the takeout process. Here we are using the screwdriver to punch in both the screws. First screw is in. Second screw is also in. Once both the screws are tight enough, with that we are done with the replacement of tail light for this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.